Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel, and this is Anna, and today is our weekend cookout. So today is July the 3rd and we are going to do a cooking in advance for the 4th of July, and happy independence for all of us in United States. So thank you guys, and today is we are going to first steps is we're going to make some boiled corn, and the corn that we're going to use today is sweet corn, which I added up some cinnamon, paprika, and a little bit of sugar and salt, so it's gonna be yum. And welcome guys to my background right here. It's a green nature, and if you can hear the cricket and what time is it? It's like 9:30 in the morning of July the 3rd, and this is just so nice, and the weather is very nice, and it's just amazing. And we have car coming in. You can see the car passing by because we are close to the road, and this is our beautiful background right here. Okay, so I guess we can start cooking our corn, and I have also some hamburger to cook, and then I have also a smoked sausage to fix. And I'm just so excited, yeah, 4th of July, because instead of grilling, I was kind of like, you know, we'll make it a little different. Instead of grilling, so we are just going to cook them in a regular stove. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is our corn, guys. So I have a paprika and a sugar, cinnamon to boil them, because this is delicious, and a little bit of salt to you know, to incorporate with the sweetness of the corn, the natural flavor and things like that. And we are going to boil them for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And then I'm just gonna cover them, and this is gonna be delicious. So there you go guys, after a couple of minutes, look at this beautiful corn right there. I'm so excited, so excited. So this is ready to take it out from the pot, and we will start with our sausage. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to cook today is our smoked sausage. I'm so excited. So I just put a little bit of canola oil in my pan. We don't need a lot of oil, so I'm just gonna put my sausage while it's not too hot, and we will just cook them for like a minute each side, and then we'll flip it over. Okay guys, you excited? Can you hear that what you call that, chimes? You see, I can't think of anything this morning. Chimes. So that's our chimes. It's telling you that it's a little windy, and I think the weather now is like 70 something, a little, and then this afternoon it's gonna be hot. So I'm just so excited to have a good weather this morning for our celebration of our 4th of July. Can you hear the sizzling right there, guys? So excited. Whee! Then it should cook about a minute or two, okay guys? Okay guys, so this is done, and we'll take it out from the pan. See how brown that is? That's what I like. Yay! Yum yum. Okay, we'll just take them out, and then we'll start our hamburger. So the hamburger I have right here is a Wagyu hamburger. So here we are going to start this beautiful hamburger. Look at this, guys. So that's a Wagyu beef. Okay, we'll turn down the heat a little bit. Leave me a second. Alright guys, so we'll start with our Wagyu hamburger. Hear the sizzling right there? Yeah. Yeah. I like Wagyu hamburger because I think it's more flavorful. Well, of course, you know, if you doesn't have any Wagyu, just a regular beef would be fine. But I just love Wagyu beef. It tastes so much better, in my opinion. And I always get a Wagyu beef every time I'm craving for hamburger. But of course, like I said, I'm not eating a lot of hamburger all the time. So, but when I wanted to have some, I want them to have a Wagyu. Okay, and I'm gonna put some. This is just very simple plain hamburger, as I got black pepper. Okay, garlic powder, just to have that flavor. Very simple. And we will just cook them for a minute each side, and then we'll flip it over, and you can hear that sizzles, guys. Yum! I'm so excited with this 4th of July. Happy 4th, everyone, for 2022. Okay, so there you go, guys. After a minute, we flip it over, and I have a base right here. If you could see, this is a mixture of olive oil, soy sauce, and ketchup. So what we're going to do is I'm just gonna brush them with our mixture to have some flavor in it. I like this because, I mean, you still have like a barbecue-y taste and flavor and things like that. So, and then once we flip it over, we will baste them again on the other side. Okay guys, this is yummy. Guys, we're going to toast our bread, and if you notice, I still gonna use the pan where I fry my hamburger and sausage, so we will get all that flavors. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter. Yum, delicious. Oh my goodness, so good. It's dripping, buttery dripping. Then I have a thin wheat bread right here, hamburger bun, you know. So this is what we're gonna be using. Okay, let me start them. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. A beautiful bread right there. Then we're just gonna toast them for like 30 seconds, just to have a little bit of crust, and of course to absorb all that flavor from the hamburger and sausage we got. I'm so excited with our 4th of July. Delicious. So we're just gonna turn it like this, so it will absorb the butter. Smells so good. Yum yum.